Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Initialize Firebase in your app and enable the specific providers you need. Once done, import and configure the Firebase SDK with the provided config object. Make sure to set up secure API keys and environment variables for different environments. This prevents accidental exposure. You'll also create the initial authentication methods page in the console and prepare client-side hooks so you can test sign-up and sign-in immediately. You now implement core authentication flows and the logic that keeps users secure. Use create user with email and password or provider pop-ups for sign-up and sign-in, and wire on auth state change to update UI state. Make sure to call get ID token when interacting with your backend, and refresh tokens automatically so sessions stay valid. Once done, verify tokens server-side with the Firebase Admin SDK to enforce authorization. This separation of client and server checks prevents privilege escalation and keeps user data safe. You finish by adding secondary protections and testing everything end-to-end. Implement email verification, password resets, and reauthentication for sensitive actions. Once done, apply and test Firebase security rules to restrict database and storage access based on token claims. Make sure to log auth events and run tests using staging accounts. If something breaks, inspect ID token claims, check system clock skew on devices, and review Firebase console logs. Those checks quickly reveal misconfigurations or expired tokens so you can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.